Welcome to Travel Partner Official. I'm Sarah, and today we're exploring Barcelona without spending €1. Get your comfy shoes and a snack because we're about to uncover the best free experiences in this magical city. Ready? Vámonos a Barcelona! Our adventure begins in the heart of Barcelona. First stop, La Rambla. This iconic boulevard stretches from Plaça de Catalunya down to the Christopher Columbus Monument at the port. Get ready to dive into the vibrant energy of this famous street. Yes, it's touristy, there's no denying that. You'll find people from every corner of the globe converging here, all eager to experience the magic of Barcelona. Embrace the hustle and bustle. It's part of the charm. But it's so much more than just a tourist trap. It's the city's main artery, the lifeblood that pumps energy and excitement through Barcelona. It's a place where locals and visitors alike come to meet, stroll, and soak in the atmosphere. Alive with color. From the vibrant flower stalls bursting with fragrant blooms to the colorful displays of souvenirs and local crafts, La Rambla is a feast for the eyes. And of course, there's music. The air is filled with the sounds of talented street musicians, from classical guitarists to lively bands playing traditional Catalan tunes, and people from all over the world. It's a melting pot of cultures, a place where you can hear a dozen different languages spoken in a single block. Window shop, browse the quirky boutiques and souvenir shops that line the street. You're sure to find something unique to remember your trip by. Watch street performers. Be amazed by the living statues, the mimes, and the acrobats who bring La Rambla to life with their incredible talents. And soak up the energy. Let the vibrant atmosphere wash over you. La Rambla is a place where something is always happening, where there's always something to see and do. This is Barcelona's pulse, the very heart of the city, and the best part? It's free to experience. You don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy the sights and sounds of this iconic street. Human statues, frozen in time, their painted faces and elaborate costumes adding a touch of surrealism to the bustling street scene. Musicians, filling the air with melodies that range from soulful Spanish guitar to upbeat international pop. Dancers and caricaturists, each adding their unique flair to the vibrant tapestry of La Rambla. They turn the street into a living stage, a constantly evolving performance that captivates and entertains. It's the perfect place to people watch, grab a seat at one of the many outdoor cafes, and simply observe the world go by, and feel the city's vibrant spirit. La Rambla is more than just a street. It's an experience, a sensory overload that will leave you feeling energized and inspired. Take your time, wander aimlessly, get lost in the crowds, and discover hidden gems along the way. And let La Rambla introduce you to Barcelona's soul. It's a place you won't soon forget. Next, we venture into the heart of Barcelona, stepping into the enchanting Gothic quarter. Prepare to be transported back in time as we explore this historic district, a place where the echoes of the past resonate through every stone and alleyway. Known locally as Barri Gothic, a name that hints at the treasures within, this area is a testament to Barcelona's rich and layered history. Get ready to wander through a medieval maze of cobblestone alleys. These narrow pathways, winding and twisting, invite you to discover hidden corners and untold stories. Keep an eye out for the delightful hidden courtyards that punctuate the labyrinthine streets. These tranquil oases offer a moment of respite and a glimpse into the private world of the Gothic quarter. Lose yourself among ancient cathedrals, monuments to faith and architectural prowess that have stood for centuries. Their towering spires and intricate facades are a sight to behold. Discover secret squares, tucked away from the bustling crowds, where you can soak in the atmosphere and imagine the lives of those who walked these stones before you. And don't miss the centuries-old chapels, each with its own unique history and artistic treasures. These sacred spaces offer a glimpse into the spiritual heart of the city. The Barcelona Cathedral's exterior is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, a testament to the skill and artistry of generations past. Its intricate details and soaring heights are truly awe-inspiring, and the surrounding plazas are steeped in history, having witnessed countless events and transformations over the centuries. These vibrant public spaces are the perfect place to pause and reflect on the city's rich heritage. The Gothic Quarter is also a place where creativity thrives. Artisan shops offer unique handcrafted goods, while street musicians fill the air with enchanting melodies. And the scent of fresh bread wafting from the local bakeries is simply irresistible, adding another layer to the sensory experience of this vibrant neighborhood. All of this combines to make this neighborhood come alive, a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, and smells that will captivate your senses. So, put away your map. Forget about following a strict itinerary. Instead, let curiosity guide you through this living storybook. Allow yourself to get lost in the labyrinthine streets and discover the hidden gems that await around every corner. The Gothic Quarter is a place to be explored, experienced, and savored. Need a break? Head to Park de la Ciutadella, Barcelona's lush green heart. Relax by the Cascada Monumental, stroll past the lake, or picnic under palm trees. No ticket required. This park is where locals gather, unwind, and recharge. Join them for a taste of everyday Barcelona. As night begins to embrace Barcelona, painting the sky with hues of orange, purple, and deep blue, a different kind of magic awakens. The city prepares for a spectacle that blends artistry, technology, and the sheer power of nature. You absolutely don't want to miss the magic fountain of Montjuic. It's an iconic landmark, a testament to Barcelona's creative spirit, and a must-see for anyone visiting the city. Prepare to be amazed by a spectacular show of water. Jets soar high into the air, creating intricate patterns and shapes that dance in perfect harmony. Light in every imaginable color illuminates the water, transforming it into a shimmering, ethereal canvas. The fountain becomes a beacon, drawing people from all corners of the city. And music. The soundtrack is carefully curated, ranging from classical masterpieces to modern pop anthems, each note perfectly synchronized with the water and light. Find a spot on the steps, settle in, and get comfortable. The show is about to begin, and you'll want a good view. Feel the anticipation building in the crowd as the lights dim and the music swells. Everyone is waiting for that first burst of water, that first flash of color. And watch as the fountain dances to music, a graceful ballet of water and light that will leave you spellbound. It's a performance that transcends language and culture, appealing to everyone who witnesses it. Under a kaleidoscope of colors, the fountain transforms into a living, breathing work of art. Each show is unique, a fleeting moment of beauty that will stay with you long after it's over. The scale and artistry are breathtaking, a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. The magic fountain is more than just a fountain, it's a symbol of Barcelona itself. And the best part? It's all free. This incredible experience is available to everyone, making it a truly democratic celebration of art and culture. This is one of Barcelona's most beloved experiences, a cherished tradition that brings people together from all walks of life. And it's pure magic, a reminder that even in the midst of a bustling city, there's always room for wonder and enchantment. Wander into El Born, where medieval streets meet bohemian flair. Window shop at artisan boutiques, admire creative displays, and soak up the neighborhood's artsy energy. Peek into Santa Maria del Mar and the El Born Centre de Cultura y Memoria for a dose of history. El Born is all about atmosphere. Slow down, explore, and let inspiration find you. Time for the beach! Barceloneta is Barcelona's sun-soaked playground open to all. Swim, stroll, or just people watch. This golden stretch of sand is pure, free relaxation. Pack your sunscreen and enjoy a slice of Mediterranean paradise. Prepare to be awestruck by Gaudi's Sagrada Familia. Admiring its exterior is free and unforgettable. Each facade tells a different story, from the intricate nativity to the stark passion. Walk around, find a park bench, and let the details reveal themselves. Gaudi's genius is on full display, no ticket needed. More Gaudi. Explore the free areas of Park Güell, a whimsical landscape of winding paths and stunning city views. Marvel at viaducts, grottos, and Gaudi's playful integration of nature and architecture. Wear comfy shoes and discover a fairy tale side of Barcelona, high above the city. Art lovers, rejoice! The Picasso Museum offers free entry on select days. Plan ahead and book online. Explore Picasso's early works and see his evolution in a beautiful medieval setting. It's a rare chance to experience world-class art without spending a cent. Climb Montjuic Hill for sweeping views of Barcelona, the harbor, and the sea, absolutely free. Wander through gardens, snap epic photos, and see landmarks like the Olympic Stadium from the outside. Montjuic is a treasure trove of vistas and history. Explore at your own pace. Dive into La Boqueria Market, Barcelona's legendary food hall. Even if you don't buy, the colors, aromas, and energy are a feast for the senses. Wander the aisles, people watch, and soak up the market's vibrant spirit. Discover Poblenou, Barcelona's open-air street art gallery. Hunt for murals, graffiti, and creative surprises around every corner. The art is ever-changing, reflecting the city's dynamic spirit. Bring your camera and see Barcelona's creative side for free. Barcelona loves a party, and many festivals are free. From La Merced's parades to Gracia's decorated streets, there's always something to celebrate. Check the calendar, join the festivities, and experience the city's joyful community spirit. Stroll Passeig de Gràcia for a double-treat jaw-dropping modernist architecture and world-class window shopping. Admire Gaudi's Casa Batlló and Casa Mila from the outside, and spot artistic details everywhere. The Avenue's boutiques are a visual feast, even if you're just browsing. It's a sophisticated, inspiring walk through Barcelona's creative heart. Step inside Santa Maria del Mar, the Cathedral of the Sea, for a moment of peace and awe. This Gothic masterpiece was built by the people. For the people, and entry is usually free. Marvel at soaring columns, stained glass, and the church's powerful sense of community. It's a moving, authentic slice of Barcelona's soul. For the best sunset in Barcelona, climb to the Bunkers del Carmel. These old wartime bunkers now offer 360-degree views, city, sea, and mountains. Bring a picnic, settle in, and watch the city light up as the sun sets. It's a magical, communal experience you'll never forget. Travel back to Roman times at Muba Placa del Rey, free on certain days. Descend beneath the city to explore ancient streets, mosaics, and ruins. It's a fascinating hands-on history lesson right under your feet. Park del Laberint d'Horta is a hidden gem with a cypress maze and neoclassical gardens, free on select days. Wander through fountains, statues, and romantic pathways, or challenge yourself in the labyrinth. It's a tranquil escape from the city's buzz. Head up Tibidabo for the highest views in Barcelona. No ticket needed to enjoy the panorama. Admire the Sacred Heart Church and take in the city, sea, and mountains from above. The journey is part of the adventure, and the views are unforgettable. Barcelona's art scene is accessible. Many galleries and cultural centers offer free entry. Explore contemporary works in El Born, Gracia, and Raval, or catch free exhibitions at Palau Robert and CCCB. Discover new artists and add a creative spark to your trip. No wallet required. Barcelona proves the best things in life can be free, from vibrant streets to stunning views and unforgettable moments. Thanks for joining me on this budget-friendly adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and adieu, I fins aviat.